On May 8, 2025, police dispatch in Columbus, Ohio received a frantic 911 call.
There was just a shootout. They're pulling off right now in a dark gray Ford with over 40-inch rims with black tinted windows. They just shot up one of my neighbor's places. We might need an ambulance. I don't know if anybody's hit or not. One of them, I just seen the vehicle. Well, I seen the guy. He has on a construction jacket, black shirt, jeans.
As officers rushed to the scene, they spotted the suspect's lifted truck speeding towards them.
They saw a gray spray-painted Tahoe, 40 inches. You saw it right there, southbound.
Southbound from where?
Southbound.
S96, give me the air. We got that Tahoe, southbound Cleveland, passing Melrose.
Copy southbound Cleveland, passing Melrose.
90-20.
Shut the car off! Shut the car off! Shut the car off!
Driving into cruiser stiff.
Southbound again, just passing Weber. S96 is 1, 9052 is 2.
S73. 4. They only 4 close.
If we get somebody on 7 to get some spikes on Cleveland.
After an initial surge of 6 calls to dispatch, this final phone call came through.
Who did it? Who shot her in the arm?
I don't know.
Yeah, right there. Here's the punches.
Eastbound Kenmore. Driver's a skinny male, black, all black with that construction vest. Coming up the billiter.
Back on the road, northbound billiter. Civilian traffic. Back on the billiter again.
Traffic's lighter, speeds are in 40s.
We got cars in the back when you break off.
Copy 5 cars approved and more. Chopper's out, we're bringing them up.
Columbus Division of Police does not allow pits on high-centered vehicles, except in deadly force situations.
I'm sorry, westbound Avenue.
At this moment, something horrifying happens as the suspect hits a dog that runs into the street in front of a family.
Hurry, we got spikes in Cleveland and Genesee. Northbound route, there's our lunch supposed to be there. next stop here. Southbound response. Backside of Sunoco, Huey here. Westbound, parallel Huey. Backside of One
Going back eastbound towards Huey. Eastbound coming back up to the Sunoco lot. Then northbound.
Northbound, passing Cricket Wireless on the northwest side. Driver's hanging out, we're now, we have the next turn, we're still northeast now. And the backside, that's going to east back to Cleveland.
Southbound again, it's looping around. 9052's number one. Southbound again, phone businesses. Somebody want to take a call?
Most agencies are not going to box in an armed suspect without an armored Bearcat due to the risk of crossfire, or simply putting themselves right in the face of an armed gunman.
Ram 71, 9052's number one again. He's losing control at Oakland. Don't let him out of this. He's pulling into Huey Elementary now. Get to cover. Get to cover.
I got my shoe on the window breaker.
Hang on. Get to cover.
Get back. Hands! Let's get it!
Hey!
Timothy, come out here, hands up!
Who's got eyes on?
No one's got eyes on
All right.
the window!
Stand by.
Timothy, come out, your hands up!
You got something to break it?
Yeah.
Watch your crossbar!
Behind the sergeant.
Break it.
Hey, Timothy, come out!
He's on the passenger side.
Climb out!
Get out.
Hey, climb out now!
Get the f out.
Come and get.
Get out.
Break that one then.
Stick your hands out.
We need fire in the stage.
Stick your hands out from under the airbag.
Airbag.
Huh?
I got you. I got you.
You got eyes on?
Yep, I got hands! I got hands! I got hands! Do not f***ing move! Do not f***ing move! Do not move! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here!
Get him out. Get him out. Roll him over. Hang on.
Roll over! Get on your stomach!
Whoa. Let's go.
You got to get some on camera now! You got me now!
I pulled it out.
Now!
Hey.
Give me my face! Give me my face! The bitch put his handcuffs on me! Little Hey, little bitch! Hey, what's your name? Hey, little bitch! What's your name? What's your name?
Put him down. Put him down. Put him on his.
What's your name?
Put him down. Put him on his feet.
Get a good search. No! Little bitch, no!
Get a good search when you guys get
This
there.
is the parking lot of 1784
What?
Huey.
Shut up. Let's go.
Shut up! I'll spill you right now! I'll spill you right now!
No, you won't.
I'll spill you right now!
Again.
I'll spill you right now! I'll spill you right now!
And so, can you get with Zone 1, see if they can send a sergeant to the 43 seat? Both the sergeants on Zone 6 are tied up on this pursuit right now.
Hold still.
Stop.
According to court documents, Timothy was arrested and taken to Franklin County Jail, where he was charged with 6 counts of felonious assault, 1 count of obstruction of official business, and 1 count of possessing a weapon under disability. 1 count of felonious assault was for shooting an elderly woman in the arm, who was a witness to the argument that sparked the shooting. Timothy entered a plea of not guilty and was released on May 21st on a $10,000 recognizance bond and a $125,000 surety bond. His trial is set for July 21st, 2025. He is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Hey guys, we want to take a moment to shine a light on a brave little boy named Porter Fuchs. He's a fighter in every sense of the word. On May 16th, Porter did suffer a devastating injury to his left eye, and it was so severe it required emergency surgery, and in the future, Porter will need to have multiple surgeries and follow-up appointments. Now, he's just a kid, but already he's endured more than most adults ever will, and his dad, Ryan, serves as a state trooper in northern Minnesota, protecting and serving the community. And now we want to personally recognize some of the amazing people who stepped up and made a difference, and that's Lisa Hammond, Carl Zabinski, Abra Barr, John Kalkbrenner, Andrew Martinez, Virginia Waters, Margaret Adams, Aib Shah, and Alexander May. And just know your generosity does not go unnoticed, and we will continue to acknowledge those who choose to stand by this family during one of their darkest hours. And thank you to this family for their service to others, and we are wishing Porter a speedy recovery and for all of them to come through this trying time knowing that they're loved. God bless you.